Hello friend, we are going to look at the top 5 best TIG welder on the market. We made the list based on our own opinion, research and customer reviews. We considered the quality features and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updating price on this product's mention, check the description box below. Number 5. KO200P TIG Welder. The KO200P TIG Welder is a compact, eco-friendly welding machine with impressive specifications. It delivers 6 kVA for MMA welding and 5 kVA for TIG welding, with an input current of 27 A for MMA and 23 A for TIG. It excels in both MMA and TIG welding processes, allowing users to tackle a wide range of tasks efficiently. The welder offers a wide range of current output, allowing users to adjust welding parameters according to material and thickness. Its no-load voltage of 65 ± 5 V and IP21 protection grade ensures safety and durability. The welder's impressive duty cycle of 40 degrees centigrade 160 A at 40% allows it to operate continuously without overheating, making it ideal for demanding tasks. This makes it a wise investment for professionals relying on their welding equipment daily. Number 4. Andeli 250PL TIG Welder. The Andeli 250PL TIG Welder is a compact and efficient welding machine with a powerful arc current range of 10 to 200. Making it suitable for various spaces. It comes with C certification, ensuring high-quality manufacturing standards and adherence to safety regulations. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate features, whether a seasoned professional or a beginner. The machine is manufactured in mainland China, combining cutting-edge technology with robust construction for durability. It operates at 220 V with a frequency of 50-60 Hz, making it accessible in various locations. The Andeli 250PL TIG Welder is compatible with standard power supplies, making it accessible for users in various locations without worrying about power requirements. Number 3. Swogen HBT 2000P TIG Welder. The HBT 2000P TIG Welder is a powerful and user-friendly tool that offers 3 essential functions: TIG cold welding for precise welds, arc MMA welding machine for heavy-duty tasks, and TIG pulse welding for controlled heat input. Its lightweight and compact design is compatible with most power outlets and offers an intuitive interface for both beginners and experienced welders. The welder meets the highest industry standards with C certification, ensuring superior performance and safety during operation. It can be used for D projects, professional welding jobs, or intricate artistic creations, handling a wide array of materials and styles. The HBT 2000P TIG Welder is a reliable choice among welders worldwide, thanks to its commitment to quality and innovation from Swogen, a trusted brand in the welding industry. Number 2. Hitbox HBT 250P TIG Welder. The Hitbox HBT 250P is a powerful and versatile welder with a rated input power of 7.8 kVA and a rated input current of 26.3 A at 220 volts. It excels in both TIG and MMA arc welding processes, offering a wide range of output currents for various applications. With a 60% duty cycle and an efficiency rating of 85%. It ensures prolonged welding sessions without overheating. The welder's user-friendly design features a low no-load voltage of 65 V for TIG welding and 67 V for MMA arc welding, ensuring a safer start. The machine is built to last with an IP21's protection class and insulation class F for enhanced safety. Its compact size of 480 mm 270 mm 365 mm makes it easy to transport and store, making it a reliable companion for various welding tasks. Number 1. Andeli 250PE TIG Welder. Andeli, a renowned brand, offers the 250PE TIG Welder, a high-quality welding equipment that meets European safety and quality standards. Originating in mainland China, this welder is known for its technological expertise and craftsmanship. Its impressive power and precision make it suitable for a wide range of welding tasks, including thin sheets and thick metal plates. The 250PE excels in TIG welding, making it ideal for tasks requiring precision and control. The welder is built with high-quality materials and advanced engineering, ensuring durability. Its user-friendly design, featuring intuitive controls and a clear interface, makes it a wise investment for welding needs. The 250PE TIG Welder is designed to be user-friendly, allowing both beginners and experienced welders to focus on their work without unnecessary complications. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, Hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.